customize, then preferences, then files, then here compress on save, as you can see.
Yeah.
So check here and then okay. Now if you save this file as save as, and then maybe this is 15, okay, save. Okay, now if I check this file, how much is this? Okay, I forgot to select this location. File save as, actually, or maybe you can again 15 save. Now if I check how long is this, so this only 5 MB. As you can see, that's the magic.
And what is the difference between the two files?
This is very different because this file is 296, almost 300 MB. And if I compressed in from 3ds Max, and now it is only 5 or 6 MB, right? So
Yeah.
now your file is more light. Okay.
Yeah, but he's losing information. Is the same?
No, same.
Okay, nice.
This is a trick, very shortcut tricks from 3ds. Okay. So this is your project. So you know about very well how to create lighting and how to add plantation and all this design thing depend on yours. So, and this is my scene. So it's better to learn properly from this scene so that you can understand better. So yeah. So again, let's check how it's look like now. So select interactive render. Now this is very basic. So if I delete this Corona Sun, let's check how. Okay, I have deleted the Corona Sun, but I still have the sky environment. So press F8. There is no environment. Then go to the render setup F10. So as you can see, go to the scenes, and here I have selected single map. So okay, so I do not discuss about single map, right, in yesterday.
Yeah.
So what is single map? So now I am clear this thing. Okay, then select this 3ds environment. So this is two options. As you can see here, you can add 3ds settings environment tab. This denotes in this thing. Okay, so if I add here maybe Corona sky, Corona sky. So just select Corona sky. So sky. Now sky affect in our scene. So simply okay, this is Corona sky. But if you select single map, this thing is not working now here. So
Okay.
you can also here put a single map like a bit map, or also Corona sky, also at Corona sky. So difference is that no need to add this map over this thing. Okay, so this is 3ds default, and this is from Corona, from render. Okay, so basically the work is same, but you choose any option of this two thing. You can add this thing over here or here. That's no major difference. So if you customize this Corona sky, you just need to add this material, add this thing in material slot in here. So just drag and drop this thing over here. Instance. Then you can control this thing over here. So maybe decrease the intensity 0.5. Okay, so this is Corona sky, not sun. So now I wanna put Corona sun over here. So go to the top view. Then, so this is there is no sun light. So it's very important to add sunlight so that your scene will look like very realistic. So simply select sun, then drag and drop like this, then adjust the height, what time render you need. Okay, so that's look like now very fine. you can adjust this thing according to your scene.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, now the sun is like very burnt, so you can increase the sun's size. Okay, it's look like more smooth. And here is some interesting setting. So setting in sky from sky. Press M. Here altitude. So if you increase this thing, what happened? Let's check. Maybe this value that makes contrast in your sky. Okay, you can play with this thing. See your sky look like very contrasted, and you can add volume effect. So volume effect basically works on a foggy thing, like when you render on a forest or very heavy landscape, then you can add volume effect. So add here maybe 400. Check. As you can see here, look like very foggy. As you can see here, that feels this winter time and so much fog over here. So in this thing, like foggy effect with more foggy. Okay. And if you decrease this value, your foggy color will lower value means it's less contrast, and upper value means it highly contrast like bluish sky. Okay, so much foggy. Okay, so you can add some fog effect if you need. So this is very basic, but it convert your scene in from very realistic thing. Okay, very smoky like environment. Okay, this sky look like very cool now, right? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So you can change this. So this one is better. PGR clear sky. This is more realistic. So okay, that's all for Corona sky and Corona sun, and no need to learn anything. And in Corona sky or sun, that's all for this two thing. Okay, you can also play with sunlight if you need, or ignore this thing. Realistic is better for now. Intensity, maybe you can decrease some intensity so that get more sweet light from here. This look like a very morning time or evening. So you need to try to target this sun to your scene and then make some distance from your scene, this sun. That works more accurately. Okay, that's all for enough thing about sun, I think. This makes uh, okay, that's all about sun. So it depends on you uh, how you wanna look and put your sunlight. So also you can show your sun source, right? So if you put this thing in front of your camera, as you can see, your source is invisible from here. Okay. Now there is another trick. Go to the post, and then if you active this bloom and glare, so it is already active, and then you can maybe increase the size maybe 10. Then it's look like very bloomy. It's look like very bloom. Now ignore this thing. No need to this. So this is your sun, right?
Yes.
It makes your sun is just rising or falling.
Oh, yes.
Si sposta lenta,
It's very night.
intanto è che cosa c'è da questo? Che sta tirando dietro?
È stato tolto, vuol dire che
Eh?
lo so. Li abbiamo tolti, vuol dire che non li siano tolti.
No, perché sposta dal vano tecnico, il vano tecnico mio previsto da fare lo spostamento da e da fare linea.
Okay, this is very morning like
Può fare in
thing.
garage il vano
Sì, non
tecnico.
puoi mettere tutto quello che...
Eh?
Wait a second. Come do adesso?
Eh?
Sta doing adesso. Sto facendo la lezione. Yes? Okay, you can see the sun like that.
Yeah, it's now look like very cool, right? So just note this thing again. Here, just add some volume effect, then altitude, play with these two things, and then just feel your sunlight will much improved.
Yeah.
So when inactive the volumetric effect like this, and if you active this, like it's make more realistic in your sim. Okay, so do you know about how to create this kind of a water material? It's very important to learn.
Can you teach?
You know that?
No, can you teach me?
Yeah. It's very important to teach you. It's very important for you. So,
One question. And what is the tone mapping upstairs?
sorry, Tom.
Upstairs, a room, there
Oh,
is
tone mapping.
Yeah.
Tone mapping, it's post production. So after rendering, you can post production in Photoshop, right?
Yeah.
So instead of Photoshop, you can do this thing in Corona in default. Okay. So maybe you wanna increase the exposure. You can increase this if you need, or decrease. This is exposure,
Mhm.
like this. If you need, you can increase and decrease your exposure. Then vignette. All this thing is available in Photoshop.
Mhm.
Vignette means like this. Got it?
Yeah.
So as you can see here, vignetting effect. And photography is exposure. This is a white balance. So that makes your scene like very warm and very cool. And then green and magnetic filming. All these things it's for Photoshop. So instead of Photoshop, you can do this thing in here. So also you can add a curve here, curve editor. Then you can add curve like this. So ignore this thing right now, no need. This it. So you can adjust your scene from here, decrease the exposure. Okay, then I want to teach you the create Corona water material. So if I pick this material from here, just check.
Okay. So you use a legacy.
Sorry. So So this is made already water material. So I wanna teach you how to create this kind of water material. So select material, then Corona legacy. Okay, this is now solid material like this.
Mhm.
So I wanna create water material newly. Okay, so just a minute. So if you wanna create water material, so this is now look like this. So first of all, go to here diffuse. So in water material, no need diffuse material, just make it black, dark. Okay, then
Why you put the black?
black because there is no color. Water is no
Okay.
color, right? It's transparent. That's why. Then reflection. So it's highly reflected, right? Like it's making glass and making water is same. Okay.
Okay.
So just water have some kind of bump like water wave, and glass is solid transparent, right? So if you wanna if you learn how to create water, then you can also create glass like kind of thing. So okay, then reflection, full reflection done. Then refraction, it's more important. So just reflection, just increase the reflection level. Then you are able to create like water. Okay, so increase the reflection level and reflection level also. So how you need the reflection, you can put. So as you can see here, it also play like water. Okay, or as you can think, maybe it's glass. So that's the basic thing. And then very important part is here to add map use sorry Corona, then Corona, or you can not Corona maps, maps general. Here you need to choose noise. Where noise? This one, right?
Mhm.
Select noise. Then add the noise in your water, in your bump. Here bump. Done. It's now it's look like water wave. So you need to just some adjust water over here. So maybe threshold. Output here. No. Oh, okay. Here size, noise size. So you can change this value and see what happened. So you can select the region data from here so that you can get fastly preview from that.
And how you did that?
Here region.
Okay.
And size maybe 1000. Okay, need to decrease this value. Now look,
That's nice. Huh?
it's look like pure water, right?
Yeah.
So you can adjust more detail, like if you think your wave is too, if you need more like 60 or 120, 150. Okay, maybe that's okay. So if you create water, you can make it like this. Now, if you add water like your bluish color swimming pool water, this is like pond water or sea water. So if you want to create a swimming pool like water, you can do this thing here. Here color. So put color, maybe this kind of a color. Make it swap. Oh, that's not working. Maybe. Oh no, you need to adjust color here in corner material. Then you need to go to the volumetric SSS triple S here. Then you can put the color volumetric scattering. Scattering means like it's very detailed like thing. You can add this kind of a watercolor, atmospheric color. Then scattering maybe this one. Increase the distance. So main color, maybe volumetric scattering. Okay, here reflection, full color. So this is a basic thing actually, and you can color. It depends on your total environment. So maybe your swimming pool, maybe you put a swimming pool like tiles. Okay, then you can get a this color of water. Okay, that's the basic thing to create corner material. Just create like this material and then add noise map, then done. Then go to the modify, and then here is some function, some tools you need to know about this thing. So here, first of all, here say that distribute on target object. Okay, so where you distribute your plants. So maybe you put so many plants over here. So when you put manually like this and like that, that is so much time consuming, right?
Yeah.
So that's why here I have use scatter. So just distributing area, you need to select maybe this one. Selected. Okay. Now they say the next option instance model object. So our model object is this. So sorry, select this model and then select use scatter first, then plants, then click the plus icon and then so use scatter. Here they say that instance model object. So instance model object is this. Maybe if I make it convertible mesh, or already this one may be scattered. Control Z. So our distribution object here, then instance model object this, boom. So here is so many plants active here. Okay, they're growing so much, so many plants over here. So if you hit render right now, or W, now you can see so much plants over here. So you need to some customization over here. So randomly distribute. So here 1000 plants distributed here, just one click. Got it?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
maybe I decrease the amount, maybe 50 only. Let's see now. Now here 50 plants is scattered, is placed, right? Maybe 100. So 100 plants now distributed, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so then you need to learn about mode adjustment. So you just learn about distributing target and instance model. After you focus on here scaling, so you can increase and decrease your plant size like this.
Okay.
So okay, you can also make it some rotation. Okay, so again, so maybe here maybe you want to add this kind of a grass. Okay, so maybe this one and this one.
I don't see so many trees.
Yeah, so now you can see the all of the trees. So as you can see here, they are randomly distributed. So one is large, one is small,
Okay.
so that you can make your view more realistic. So they are provide like very randomly distribution. Okay. Now you can increase your sun intensity.
Yeah, there is a lot of fog now there.
Yeah.
So blurry.
So maybe I wanna scatter this. This is very easy actually. You can do the same. You can practice just like this. So maybe I create another scatter from here. Then go to the modify. Active this. And this one. So they are already distributed. So many things, so many classes you can add over here.
Yeah,
So
but
for example, I
but-
just put two kinds of thing.
yeah, but I didn't get. You're doing different scatter, one for each stuff.
Sorry,
No.
sorry.
You do one scatter for the tree, one scatter for the grass.
Yeah, so I just put this scatter for grasses.
Okay, is it? But a question: the scatter is connected with the surface.
Surface, no. There is no, not connected to
Ah.
the surfaces.
Yeah, is distributed target object is where is a scatter.
Distributed
Okay.
target object for which the source,
Okay.
where you place your object, where you place your
Okay.
plants. Okay.
Yeah,
And the,
yeah.
and the next one is model object. So here I just put this whole thing. Now we can distribute maybe in phases like this.
Okay.
As you can see, they are increasing so many classes right now. Here keep the volume content. Okay, as you can see, so many plants active over here. So explode some. Okay, so now we can make it more scale. Like so there is too many options. No need to know about more option. You just know about the maximum limit, and then there this two things, and then the object on it. Stepping distance. You can adjust the distance from each and another. Rotation. Scaling. So you can increase the scale, increase the size of your plants like this. As you wish, you can increase the value. Okay,
Very nice.
you can see. The rotation. This is very interesting. Yeah, so maybe you can this kind of environment. Great. Okay, do you care about the scatter? This is not too much complex. This is very easy.
Okay. And one question: when you use Cosmos 3 and when you use the tree that I download.
Yeah. Yeah, you can also create this kind of thing when you make a download. So maybe this one you import from another website. Then you can use those scatter over there, no problem.
Can you try use one that I send in the driver?
From your plants.
Yeah.
So which one? Yours. Maybe you mail
Max 3 plant. I put in the folder.
Okay, let's check.
Range is not okay.
This one, right?
Yes.
No, no.
Max 3.
this
Yeah,
pro-
mastery. Mastery. Yeah.
but
Yes.
mastery, the folder is empty. There is no plans. There is no max file.
Wait.
I don't know why. So again, if I extract it, the folder is empty.
Okay. I send to your mail the link of.
Okay, you can try this thing if I want. No problem. You can do this. Just pick the use scatter and then import your plans, and then here you can make a rectangle or make a plane, whatever. So maybe standard. So maybe you create a plane, then just go to the your use scatter. Then here add your area and add your object. Okay, so they are already. So maybe I put another plants. So maybe I want to put this one. So same thing, you can do this thing from downloaded plans, no problem.
Yeah, because I find some files that are and after there is a matlib.
Yeah. So you can add this thing burner. So when you put another area, you can choose another scatter. It's better. Okay, so I put another scatter over here for this area. So for example, this. Then go to the modify. Select this area. Then select this lamps. Done. Then your all this lamps are scattered. Okay. Like this now. You can see here. Okay, you can do this. No problem. This is very easy.
Nice.
Let's look like so much realistic, right? Okay, you need to practice the scatter. So in 10 minutes, maybe class will end. Your meeting will end 10 minutes. Let's say. So any question?
Not yet.
Okay, let's practice, and then if you feel any trouble, then knock me.
And can you explain how I'm managing? Like you put furniture inside.
Which
At the end of the swimming pool, there is furniture.
swimming pool?
Yeah, at the end.
Swimming pool material.
No. There is a furniture after the swimming pool. There is furniture on the deck. Yeah, that.
Furniture.
Yeah.
You can put furniture from Q's personal browser or 3D Sky. Then you can.
No, I would like to see when you put it from you have a model to 3D Sky. How you do?
From 3D Sky.
I mean, because okay, I make a merge and I can find the furniture.
Yeah. So
But how
that's the
can
problem.
how can I manage the texture and the element? Because after
Texture.
texture of the
And then you can relink your feedback. Or if you press Shift D, ignore this thing. You just install the RV. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you are able. So already I have a video or in this after finish the class I will share this video, and then by watching this video you can active this script. So not only that, you can active copy paste and type this script and all this link over here you can download it for free. Okay, so I'll share the link. Okay. So as you can see, the scene is looking very natural, right?